They've both moved on. Or have they? When Jennifer Lopez's ex, Alex Rodriguez, and Ben Affleck's former flame, Lindsay Shookus, appeared together on a red carpet, fans lost it. The internet exploded with theories, rumors, and deja vu moments. But behind that viral picture lies a story of friendship, coincidence, and two Hollywood circles that just can't stop overlapping. Before I reveal what really happened, let me know where you're watching from. And don't forget to like this video if you believe exes can still stay friends without the drama. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck may have ended their marriage, but their story is far from over. While their romantic chapter has closed, the two continue to share a strong, respectful bond that reflects years of history, mutual understanding, and shared family priorities. Since finalizing their divorce earlier this year, both have been seen together several times, attending family events, spending time with their children, and even walking the red carpet side by side. Their ability to remain on good terms has impressed fans who have followed their whirlwind relationship over the decades. However, the spotlight has recently shifted from them to two other people, former partners who unexpectedly crossed paths in a moment that instantly grabbed the internet's attention. It all started on a Monday evening in New York City, where former baseball star Alex Rodriguez, famously known as A-Rod, hosted the premiere of his new HBO docuseries, Alex vs. A-Rod. The event took place at the Directors Guild of America, DGA Theater. And as expected, it drew a star-studded crowd of celebrities, athletes, and media personalities. Among the many guests, one appearance in particular caught everyone's eye, that of Lindsay Shookus, a well-known television producer who gained fame through her work on Saturday Night Live. The moment Lindsay arrived, cameras began flashing. She and Alex greeted each other warmly, exchanged hugs, and even posed together on the red carpet. At first glance, the interaction seemed friendly and casual, just two acquaintances reconnecting at a public event. But within minutes, social media was ablaze. Fans were quick to point out the shared romantic history that both Lindsay and Alex have with none other than Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck. Suddenly, what looked like a simple greeting turned into a major talking point. To understand why this meeting sparked such excitement, it helps to revisit a few details about everyone's past connections. Alex Rodriguez began dating cringiest lesbian and Jennifer Lopez, Yamis Barman as 2017. Their relationship quickly became one of Hollywood's most glamorous pairings. They appeared on magazine covers, attended major award shows together, and even got engaged in 19 Beinst. However, after several years of being in the public eye, the couple called off their engagement and ended things in 2021. Meanwhile, Lindsay Shookus entered Ben Affleck's Moispa life around 2017, shortly after he separated from Samber Jennifer Garner, his wife of 13 years. Ben and Lindsay's relationship lasted for about 2 years, and though it wasn't as headline-heavy as Ben's later romance with Lopez, it was still closely followed by the media and fans alike. The two parted ways in 2019, citing busy schedules and personal differences. Soon after, fate seemed to bring everything full circle. In 2021, Lopez and Affleck reignited their early 2000s romance, nearly 2 decades after their first engagement had ended. The reunion of Bennifer made global headlines. They married the following year in 2022, with fans celebrating their story as a symbol of second chances. Unfortunately, the fairy tale didn't last forever. Reports of tension began surfacing in mid-2024, and by January 2025, the couple had officially finalized their divorce. This complicated web of relationships, Rodriguez with Lopez and Shookus with Affleck, makes their recent public meeting all the more fascinating. Naturally, fans couldn't help but wonder if history was repeating itself in some unexpected way. Despite the social media frenzy, insiders quickly stepped forward to put the rumors to rest. Multiple outlets confirmed that there's no romantic involvement between Alex Rodriguez and Lindsay Shookus, not now and not ever. In fact, the two have known each other for more than a decade and a half. This isn't even the first time they've been seen together. Back in 2021, shortly after Rodriguez's breakup with Lopez, The pair were spotted at a small gathering in the Hamptons. That sighting had also sparked speculation at the time, prompting Rodriguez's representative to make things crystal clear. In a statement to People magazine, the spokesperson said, "They have been friends for 15 years. There's nothing there at all, so when the two met again at the HBO premiere this week, it was most likely a friendly reunion, not the start of a new romance." Sources close to both confirm that they share mutual friends, work in overlapping entertainment circles, and occasionally cross paths at industry events. Nothing more, nothing less. Still, given their famous connections, it's easy to see why fans are curious. Meanwhile, Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck continue to set an example of how exes can remain cordial and supportive despite their separation. They've made conscious efforts to prioritize their children and maintain harmony in their blended families. Whether they're attending a school event, joining family dinners, or showing up together for their kids' milestones, the two have consistently displayed maturity and respect. Observers say that while the romantic spark between them may have faded, their deep friendship and shared history remain. Affleck, who has often spoken about the importance of co-parenting, seems focused on maintaining stability for his 3 children with Jennifer Garner, while Lopez continues to balance her career, family, and business ventures. Their recent red carpet appearances together further show that the pair is determined to handle life after divorce with dignity. They may no longer be Bennifer in the romantic sense, but their story continues to evolve, one built now on mutual trust and understanding rather than passion. Hollywood is no stranger to high-profile relationships, breakups, and surprise reunions. But what makes this situation unique is the civility shared among everyone involved. There's no public drama, no feuds, and no bitterness. Just adults navigating life in the spotlight with a surprising amount of grace. Rodriguez and Shookus' friendly appearance shows that even in a world driven by rumors, it's possible for ex-partners of former lovers to maintain mutual respect. And Lopez and Affleck's ongoing friendship proves that endings don't always have to be ugly. Sometimes, the most powerful stories in Hollywood aren't about who's dating whom, but about how people move forward after love ends. In the end, whether it's Alex Rodriguez and Lindsay Shookus, casual red carpet greeting, or Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck's continued cooperation as co-parents, one message stands out: relationships may change form, but respect can last a lifetime. Fans will always keep an eye on this interconnected circle of celebrities, wondering what's next. But for now, all signs suggest peace, maturity, and friendship. A refreshing sight in the ever-dramatic world of show business.